You searched how to buy shares of Flag Precious Metals Corp, a company focused on precious metals investments. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker TFPM, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy TFPM, you will need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify the account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before purchasing. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker TFPM to find the listing. Make sure the name matches Flag Precious Metals Corp and that it is listed on NASDAQ. Open the asset page to view basic company information and the price chart for TFPM. Check the company description and NASDAQ listing to confirm this is the correct stock. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After purchase, your position will appear in your portfolio, so you can monitor it. The example link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.